Hi everybody, today in front of me I have this REALME C35 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can download and install an Opera browser on it. So first of all, open up the Play Store on your device. Here at the search bar type in Opera and then tap on install. Wait for the app to get downloaded and installed. It will not take a lot of time, just a couple of seconds, no more than that. Alright, so now all that is left to do is to open the browser itself and set up some first launch stuff. Here you can choose whether you want some of the options and features of this browser to be enabled from the start, or you can skip it by pressing this button on the top right corner of your display. I'll just go and enable ad blocking, turn on the tracker blocking, and skip the step of setting Opera as the default browser. Now tap on allow, done, and you are all set. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye!